Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact Windows 1124H2 build and ensuring at least 20 GB free. This prevents failed installs. Create a system restore point and backup critical files so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to clear obvious blockers. Once it finishes, pause updates briefly and recheck to force a fresh scan. Make sure Device Manager shows no flagged drivers before you progress. Address any yellow warnings now. You now repair core components with DISM and SFC. Run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then SFC/scano to rebuild corrupted system files. Once those complete, reset Windows Update components by stopping WiiWaServe and bits, removing the software distribution folder, and restarting services to clear caches. If updates still fail, use the official 24H2 installation assistant or mount the 24H2 ISO and perform an in-place upgrade. You finish by verifying the machine reports Windows 1124H2 and running Windows Update one more time to grab cumulative patches. Reinstall or update hardware drivers using OEM installers. Integrated updates often resolve post-upgrade glitches. Then check Device Manager for any remaining alerts. If problems persist, capture specific error codes and logs, Windows Update. Log, CBS. Log and consider a clean install from bootable media as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. If updates loop or error repeatedly, perform an in-place repair from the ISO before wiping the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.